Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can speed up video clips you create on Canva. So let us get started. Head over to your design or your video project on Canva. So let's go with that Instagram story for the sake of this tutorial. And let me add a video from the Canva library. So let me go with this one here. Let me also resize it so that it fits into that frame, just like that. So what you want to do, guys, is left click on the given video clip and click on edit here at the top. And here on the left panel, scroll down a bit till you get to the video speed section. And as you can see, the video speed is on default set to 1. So you may simply click into that one and set it to 2, for example, or simply move that slider here and change the video speed to, let's say 0.5 speed or 1.5 or double speed, which is the maximum basically, guys. So you can't, for example, set a video speed of, I don't know, 500 or something like that. So 2 is the maximum, or double is the maximum video speed, and you can also go as low as 0.25. So guys, that's basically it. Watch it in the preview if you like to see the effect in play, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.